Welcome back to the Natural English Channel, your daily English practice. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Oliver. Really glad you're here today. We post a brand new conversation every single day, so if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now.
And before we start, let me tell you what is waiting for you in this episode.
Because today we are talking about a phrase that native speakers use constantly, every single day, in every kind of conversation.
And most learners either avoid it completely or use it slightly wrong and never know why something feels off.
We're talking about supposed to. One phrase, three completely different lives, and a story from my week that is both embarrassing and very useful.
We have the most common mistakes, the fixed expressions, and a quiz with 2 options at the end to test yourself.
Stay with us. This one is going to totally change the way you talk about expectations and obligations.
So, Oliver, what happened this week?
Okay, so I had a dentist appointment, which I forgot about completely.
Oh, no.
And when the receptionist called me, I said, "Oh, I'm sorry. I supposed to be there at 2 o'clock." And she said, "You mean you were supposed to be here?" And I said, "Yes, I supposed to be there." And she said it again, "Were supposed to," very gently, very patiently.
She corrected you twice.
Twice. While I was already embarrassed about missing the appointment, my whole face went red, ears first, then everywhere.
And that correction, "were supposed to," is exactly where we start today.
Please fix this. My dentist deserves better.
Supposed to. 1 phrase, 3 lives, and 1 very patient receptionist. And that's exactly what we're talking about today.
Okay, 3 lives. Let's go.
Oliver, think of supposed to as an expectation window, a frame through which you can see what was planned, what was expected, or what people believe to be true.
An expectation window. I like that. What's inside the window depends on which life of supposed to you're using.
Exactly. Life 1, obligation or expectation. Something was planned or expected to happen. I am supposed to call her at 3. I have an obligation. It's expected. You are supposed to wear a seatbelt. It's the rule. The expectation exists.
Supposed to for obligation and expectation. I am supposed to be there. The expectation exists. You are supposed to follow the rules. The obligation is there. The window shows what should happen.
And this is where your mistake happened, Oliver. I supposed to be there. Wrong. Because supposed to is never used without a form of be before it. Always be supposed to. I am supposed to. I was supposed to. She is supposed to. He was supposed to.
Oh, be is always there. Am supposed to, was supposed to, is supposed to, were supposed to. Never just supposed to alone. Be is the frame that holds the window.
Exactly. Be is the frame. Without the frame, the window falls. I supposed to. The frame is missing, the window falls. I was supposed to. The frame is there, the window stands.
I was supposed to be at the dentist. The frame is there. Were supposed to. The receptionist was right.
Always. Now, life 2. Something that didn't happen as expected. When supposed to appears in the past, it often signals that something was planned but didn't happen. I was supposed to finish the report yesterday. I didn't. She was supposed to call me. She didn't. He was supposed to arrive at noon. He was late.
Oh, was supposed to, past. The expectation existed, but reality didn't match. Something was planned, something went wrong, or simply didn't happen as expected.
The window shows what should have been in the frame but wasn't. I was supposed to be at the dentist. The expectation existed. You weren't there. The frame was empty.
Was supposed to. The expectation existed. Reality was different. The frame had a plan. Reality ignored it.
Life 3. Something people believe or say is true. Not your personal opinion, but a general belief or reputation. This restaurant is supposed to be amazing. People say so. It has that reputation. The new film is supposed to be really funny. That's what everyone is saying.
Oh, supposed to for reputation and general belief. Not my personal experience, what people say. This coffee is supposed to be the best in the city. I haven't tried it, but that's its reputation. The book is supposed to be life-changing. People say so.
The window shows what the world believes or expects, not necessarily what you personally know. Is supposed to be amazing, current reputation. Was supposed to be great, past reputation, maybe it changed. The window shows collective expectation.
Now, formality. Supposed to works at every level, casual and professional, but the structure never changes regardless of formality.
Always be supposed to. Casual, I'm supposed to meet her later. Professional, the report is supposed to be submitted by Friday. Formal, all participants are supposed to register in advance.
Always be supposed to, never just supposed to alone.
And the negative, not supposed to, is very common for expressing something that is prohibited or against the rules. You are not supposed to park here. I'm not supposed to share this information. She's not supposed to be in this meeting.
Not supposed to, against the rules, prohibited, not allowed. You are not supposed to park here. The expectation is that you don't. I'm not supposed to know this. The expectation was that I wouldn't find out.
Very natural, very common, and very useful for expressing rules and prohibitions without sounding too formal or too harsh.
Not supposed to softens a prohibition. You're not supposed to do that. Gentler than you can't do that. Still clear, still firm, but warmer.
Now, fixed expressions, because these come up constantly.
Hit me.
You're supposed to, used to remind someone of an expectation or rule. You're supposed to sign here first. You're supposed to wait your turn. Very direct, but not aggressive.
You're supposed to. A gentle but clear reminder. The expectation exists. You may have forgotten. Here it is.
I'm not supposed to tell you this. A fixed expression for sharing information that was meant to stay private. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but the meeting got canceled. Creates a sense of intimacy and slight drama.
I'm not supposed to tell you this. Everyone loves that phrase. It means I trust you and this is slightly forbidden, but here it is anyway.
It's supposed to be. Used for reputation or general belief. It's supposed to be the best pizza in town. It's supposed to be really difficult. General expectation, not personal experience.
It's supposed to be. What people say, what the reputation is. I haven't tried it, but it's supposed to be incredible.
And wasn't supposed to happen. A fixed expression for something unexpected, something that broke the plan or the expectation. This wasn't supposed to happen. The delay wasn't supposed to happen. Acknowledging that reality broke the frame.
Wasn't supposed to happen. The window had a plan, reality had other ideas. This wasn't supposed to happen, but it did. Very human, very honest.
These four. You're supposed to. I'm not supposed to tell you this. It's supposed to be. Wasn't supposed to happen. Learn them whole. They come up constantly in real conversations.
I'm not supposed to tell you this, but that's my favorite expression of the four.
Error check. 3 mistakes that come up most often.
Ready.
Wrong. I supposed to be there at 2.
I was supposed to be there at 2. Be is always the frame, always before supposed to. Was supposed to, past, the expectation existed. I supposed to, the frame is missing, wrong. Always be supposed to, always.
Good. Wrong. She's supposed to call me back.
She is supposed to call me back. Supposed with a D at the end, always. Suppose without the D is a different verb. I suppose means I think or I guess. Supposed to, with D, always, for obligation and expectation.
Exactly. Wrong. This cafe supposed to be amazing.
This cafe is supposed to be amazing. Be is the frame, always. This cafe is supposed to be, reputation, general belief, what people say. This cafe supposed to be, missing be, the frame is gone, wrong. Is supposed to be, the frame holds, the window stands.
3 for 3. And before the quiz, one thing. Supposed to is one of the most natural and versatile phrases in everyday English. Once you have the frame, be supposed to, and the 3 lives, obligation, broken expectation, reputation, you will find it everywhere. In conversations, in films, in books, in professional emails. It's supposed to be everywhere. Because it is.
Yeah. And Kenji and everyone who has ever said supposed to without the be, you now have the frame. The window doesn't work without the frame. Be supposed to, always.
Always. Quiz time. 2 options. Choose the correct one and explain why.
Ready.
Situation 1. You want to say there is a rule that everyone must wear a badge in the building. Option 1. Everyone's supposed to wear a badge. Option 2. Everyone is supposed to wear a badge.
Option 2. Everyone is supposed to wear a badge. Be is the frame. Is supposed to. Obligation. The rule exists. The expectation is there. Option 1. Everyone's supposed to. Missing be. Wrong. Always is supposed to. The frame holds everything.
Perfect. Situation 2. You planned to finish a project yesterday, but didn't. Option 1. I was supposed to finish it yesterday. Option 2. I supposed to finish it yesterday.
Option 1. I was supposed to finish it yesterday. Past. Be is the frame. Was supposed to. The expectation existed. Reality didn't match. The frame had a plan. I wasn't in it. Option 2. I supposed to. Missing be. Wrong. Was supposed to. The frame. Always.
Good. Situation 3. You heard that a new restaurant in town is excellent. You haven't been yet. Option 1. That restaurant supposes to be excellent. Option 2. That restaurant is supposed to be excellent.
Option 2. That restaurant is supposed to be excellent. Reputation, general belief, what people say. Is supposed to be, the window shows collective expectation. Option 1, supposes to be, wrong structure entirely. Supposed to never conjugates like a regular verb. Always be supposed to, never supposes to.
Exactly. Situation 4. You want to gently tell someone they are breaking a rule. No phones in the meeting. Option 1. You not supposed to use your phone here. Option 2. You're not supposed to use your phone here.
Option 2. You're not supposed to use your phone here. Not supposed to, gentle prohibition. The expectation is that you don't. Be is the frame. You are, always be. Option 1, you not supposed to, missing be, wrong. You're not supposed to, gentle but clear. The frame holds.
4 out of 4. Oliver.
You know, supposed to has been like a picture frame sitting on my desk my whole life, and I kept trying to hang the picture without the frame. And of course it kept falling, because a picture without a frame has nothing to hold it up.
Be is the frame.
Be is the frame. Was supposed to, is supposed to, are supposed to, were supposed to. The frame holds the picture. The picture is the expectation, the plan, the reputation, the obligation, and without the frame, the window falls.
And with the frame, every life of supposed to is possible. Obligation, broken expectation, reputation, all held by the same frame.
All held by be, always.
And Kenji, this episode was for you. You asked a question that opened up one of the most useful phrases in everyday English. I was supposed to finish this reply sooner, but I'm glad I waited, because now you have the whole picture, frame and all.
Frame and all.
Come back to this review and say these phrases out loud with us. I am supposed to. I was supposed to. It's supposed to be. You're not supposed to tell me this. Say them until the frame feels natural, until be comes automatically before every supposed to.
And if there's a word or expression in English that has been confusing you, leave it in the comments below. Your questions are literally how we choose what to talk about next.
We read every single one. Leave it down there. Your confusion today is our next episode.
And go watch our last video where we talked about used to and get used to, two phrases that are also about expectations and habits, just like supposed to. The link is in the description.
And if this helped you today, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find us every single day.
And share this with someone who has been hanging pictures without frames their whole life. Send them this. Be supposed to. Always. Everything fixed.
See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone.
Bye. And to my dentist, I was supposed to be there. I know. I'm sorry. I'm not supposed to miss appointments, and it won't happen again. Probably.
Goodbye, everyone.